Good early morning, you guys. This is Taylor. This is EV Education, and today we're going to wash my black Tesla. There's certain things you want to do when you're washing a Tesla in particular. This BMW is nothing like washing this Tesla. Tesla's paint is water-based. It's really weak. Its clear coat absolutely sucks. And there is some certain precautions you're gonna wanna go through so you don't scratch or get swirl marks on your... I'm gonna show you guys how to wash this correctly, touchless, which is what you're gonna wanna do the majority of the time. And I'm gonna show you guys how to do a hand wash when you go on like a road trip or something. It's looking pretty clean right now, so this would be a perfect time to do it touchless. I just see some minor spots and a lot of dirt on the back, of course, as usual. There are many pros and cons of touchless washing your car. One being you don't touch your car, so there's no real risk of a lot of scratches or damage to your paint or anything. Tesla in particular, the paint can scratch really easily because it's water-based. So touchless wash, I've only hand washed this car about 2 to 3 times. So, and I've had it for a couple months now. So that shows how much you guys should be doing touchless wash. I try and do a touchless wash 2 times a week because if you don't, it'll get too dirty and you'll need to do a hand wash. So the pros of that are you never will scratch your car really. And the con would be it doesn't clean it fully. So this was touchless washed and it's already done. And you can kind of feel there's still a lot of dirt on here. Let me try and get some off. I know I'm scratching it, but whatever. I'm trying to show you guys something. So there's still a lot of dirt in the back. You see that? Not too much, but there still is a lot. But I'd rather have a little bit of dirt on there. Still some dirt on the wheels and stuff, and still some dirt in the calipers. Rather have that dirt than have scratches all day. So we're gonna do a touchless wash here, and we're gonna try and just see how well it does getting this stuff off the rims and off my brakes and all that. So let's get started. So touchless, I have a couple things here. I've got a power washer on 40% because we're gonna do just a wash down first of just water. And then I have Chemical Guys snow foam with the foam cannon. This stuff, you guys, is like 20 bucks to get this, and then it's like another 20 for that bottle. Really not that bad. So as for right now, I'm gonna put the 40 on with just water, and we're just gonna give it a wipe down from top to bottom. Okay, so quick soak down there. I got everything I needed to, which is the whole car. And then now I have my foam cannon on. Remember, it's this Chemical Guys Honeydew. Have it on there, and I'm gonna turn it back on and foam the entire car top to bottom again. And I'm gonna leave this sitting on the car for like 2 to 5 minutes. So let's do that. This looks so satisfying. All right, so this is gonna sit for another couple minutes here. The goal is mostly for the back for this to get stuff off and for these calipers. So that is the goal here. So after that, we're just gonna put back on this 40% here, and we're just gonna wash it down. And the touchless wash will be done. And then I'll show you guys the drying technique. So all the soap is off. I hope you guys really noticed my pattern for doing it. I start from the top and let the water and gravity do the work to pull it down. That's like your main technique. As you can see, I put a lot more time into getting every crack, you know, of this part rather than the first part. You know, the first soak down, I barely got anything, the back, and then this one I got a lot more in depth and sprayed it down a little more. And if you see stuff like this, just get your hose out and do it again. Another thing is you totally don't have to use this for the last wash. You can use your hose just like a regular head here, or you can, even better, but it wastes a ton of water, you can use an open hose and just drop it on there from top to bottom. So that's the final rinse there. As for drying, the whole point is a touchless wash, so no towels in this one. What you're gonna wanna use is, it's gone. Okay, well, mine is gone. So the thing that I use for a touchless, if you have hard water, so regular hose water, is you're gonna wanna use like the gardener blowers, a leaf blower, and you just, once again, blow from top to bottom. Make sure it's cool out or else it will start making water spots if it's too hot and the water is drying. So once again, top to bottom, push it one direction and then blow it down. So then this is all here and then you just blow it all down and out, you know, blow it all away. Let gravity do the work. So you're assisting the gravity, pushing it down. You don't want to dry it and go up, you know? So that's how you'd touchless dry it. Also though, if you have soft water, so if you guys have like, you know, there's like a huge tank in there, you'll know if you have soft water. If you have soft water, which has no minerals, no nothing in it, just pure water, what you would do is just pull it into the garage, let it sit all wet like this, make sure no dust can get on it. So close the garage and go inside and watch some TV. You're all done from here. I'm not gonna blow it off this part. We're actually gonna move on to the second method of watching it.